In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. By default, when you install Google Chrome, it comes with white background like this. So if you want to change it to dark mode, to do that, come to this three dots. When you open the browser, come to these three dots, scroll down and click on settings. So when you click on settings, come to appearance, click on it. So come to mode, click on this drop down and you see light, dark and device. So if you want dark mode, click on dark mode. So that will change it to dark mode. And if you want light mode again, click on the drop down under mode and change it to light mode. That will change it. So as for me, I want it as light mode. But if you want to change it to dark mode, just click on this drop down and choose dark mode, just like this. Thank you for watching.